to enable safe browsing in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable safe browsing in Windows 11. To do so, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, open your settings by Windows plus I key from your keyboard in order to directly open the settings application. Now once after opening the settings application, from the left side here look for privacy and security option. Once you locate it, simply click on it, and then at the right side you'll be able to see these options. From here under Windows permissions, scroll down to find search permissions option. Once you find it, simply click on it, and here inside it you'll be able to locate different options. Look for safe search option, and under safe search you will need to now choose your preferred filter label. You can see three different labels of filters. First one is strict. If you select this option, you will be able to filter out adult text, images and videos. And if you select the moderate option, it will help you to filter adult images and videos but not the text. And if you select this off option, it will disable filtering. Choose between the strict and moderate option. The settings control safe search filtering for web results in Windows Search and Microsoft Edge. So this is how you can enable safe browsing in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.